The state's National Guard is here in Kern County to help local hospitals feeling the impact of the pandemic.
Eyewitness News reporter Savannah Welch spoke with the State National Guard and Public Health on when it's time to call in some extra help. Savannah?
Elizabeth Rochelle, the pandemic has made the shortage of healthcare workers even worse. It's now causing the National Guard to step in and help out. But how long they are here all depends on this third COVID surge.
The California National Guard is back in Bakersfield, their medical teams helping hospitals with a lack of workers.
At one time, our numbers were really plussed up with this type of support to various medical treatment facilities, hospitals, care homes, you name it, we were there.
Lieutenant Colonel Jonathan Shiroma says this isn't the first time they've been called in.
It's been an ongoing mission, as you can imagine, since the pandemic hit in March 2020. So this specific type of assistance has been going on throughout the state for a number of months now.
In the midst of the county's third COVID surge, Public Health sent a request to the Governor's Office of Emergency Services asking for help.
Oftentimes, when we are in the midst of a surge, which we have been, this is when we begin to see and hear from our hospitals that they are needing help with staffing for a variety of reasons.
Regional Medical Support Teams, or RMSTs, come in with a lead nurse and medical military staff. There are 3 teams here in Bakersfield with a total of 49 service members. One at Mercy Southwest, Bakersfield Memorial Hospital, and Adventist Health Bakersfield.
Much of this depends on the needs of the hospitals as they move forward. And then if they are not getting their staffing needs met, they'll come back to Public Health and they will make another request of us for additional staffing.
Michelle Corson of Kern County Public Health says they're usually here on a 14-day deployment. But depending on the healthcare needs, they could be here for longer.
And at 6 o'clock, you'll hear from Lieutenant Colonel Shiroma on how the National Guard's been involved in addressing the state's needs during the pandemic. In studio, Savannah Welch, Eyewitness News.
Is there a story you think we should investigate? Call our Eyewitness News tip line at 869-2929.